Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add different bullet point in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open our Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add different bullet point. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then click inside a text box. Then write some name or text. Now I am write some text. Now we select the all text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the window menu, go to the text option and enable the paragraph. Then we can see here the bullets and numberings. Now we select this drop down menu and choose the type drop down menu, select the numbering, then select individual numbering list and select the another numbering. Then select another numbering list and select the label. You can write your custom number list. Then we check the number list. Now we can see we insert different number list very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.